Guys, welcome to another video from your girl Kissy Unstoppable. And today guys, I have some pork chops here, and I'm gonna do barbecue pork chops. This is my first time doing barbecue pork chops, so as you can see my meat is already seasoning. So guys, don't go anywhere, I'll be right back.
Girl, better can't cook. Think you that you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book.
Hi guys, welcome back. Okay guys, I put in my pork chops in the oven. Over here I'm making some rice and peas, so I'm gonna add my seasoning in, and my coconut milk is already in. So I'm gonna put in my thyme and my pepper and my scallion. Thyme is in it already, so I'm gonna put scallion and pepper. Add a pepper, and I'm gonna put some butter. Boil a little bit and let it go on bubble a little bit, then I add my rice in. Guys, I'm gonna do some broccoli as usual. I have to have my broccoli. You can see my rice and peas pot is bubbling over here, so I'm gonna add my rice in. And over here, as you can see, I have some lovely broccoli over here. I'm gonna bring up it. Some lovely broccoli with some sweet peppers, and I'm gonna add some scallion and some thyme to it. Add some butter to the broccoli, and I'm gonna turn on the stove on it and let it steam. So now guys, I'm gonna do like 2 cups of rice. 1, 2. I'm using basmati rice. I'm putting in my rice. I think I'm gonna take out some of the water because I don't want the rice to be too soft. Too much water, the rice is gonna be soft. It's not gonna come out shelly. I'm making my barbecue sauce, so I'm gonna put some. I'm using 2 different type of barbecue sauce. So this is Kraft, and I'm gonna use this one. This one is finished. I'm gonna add some sweet chili, ketchup, a tip of honey. I'm gonna put a little chili flakes inside. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna mix all my ingredients together. So guys, I take out the pork, so I'm gonna put the sauce over it on this side, and then I'm gonna put it back in the oven, and then take it and put it on the other side. So I'm using my brush to put on the sauce. So now I'm gonna put it back in the oven, and then after I'm gonna turn it on the other side and put the sauce on the other side. So guys, that's my rice and peas right there. So I'm stirring in. Make sure that the peas get even in each. Yep. Put on shelly rice and peas right there. So watch shelly rice and peas right there. So guys, my rice and peas is ready. And over here I'm making some sauce to eat with the food. I'm gonna flip it on the other side, and I'm gonna put this sauce. Soft guys, so tender. Tastes spicy too, guys. I don't know if Aiden gonna eat this. I probably have to cook some shrimp for Aiden, you know. Guys, that's the final result of my barbecue pork chops. I haven't eaten red meat for over 40 something days now. Today is the first day and it's September 26th. I'm gonna eat some pork chops. So guys, you know what time is it to like up this video, share this video out, put on your post notifications so you know when time Goody upload a video. And I hope you all enjoy this video. Until next time, your girl is out.